In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your signature on an image on your iPhone without downloading any applications. So let's say you've been sent an image that requires you to put your signature on it. Wherever you will send this image, whether on mail or any social platform, just go ahead and save this image. Make sure it is saved to your photos. When you do that, click on your photos, click on the image you want to sign on, and then click on this icon right here. You're going to see a pen icon up here. Just click on it. Select the first pen right here, the pen that reads 92. Select it, and here you can customize the size of your signature. Let's just choose this one. Also, the transparency of your signature is customizable. When you're done customizing, click on done, and you are ready to sign. So just put your signature anywhere on the image where it requires your signature to be. When you're done doing this, click on done. Click on done again, and you can just share this by clicking on the share icon down here.